Now, lots of people, celebrities, and a lot of other people also, athletes for example, have found interesting ways of using water. It's called contrast therapy, when you alternate between a hot bath and then plunging into a bathtub full of icy cold water. It's therapeutic in nature. It's helping a lot of people recover after intense workouts. It's got a host of benefits. Celebrities are swearing by it. However, it's got some risk factors as well, and this report is going to detail on how exactly can you do contrast therapy and also the risks associated with it, if at all you are not fit enough to do it. Bring about rapid changes in the circulatory system. The hot water causes vasodilatation, which is dilation of blood vessels, and the cold water causes vasoconstriction, which you guessed it, is the constriction of the blood vessels.
हॉट ट्रीटमेंट देने से बॉडी के उस पोर्शन में वहाँ की नसें, खून की आर्टरीज होती हैं, वो डायलेट हो जाती हैं, उसे वैसो डायलेटेशन बोलते हैं. और ठंडा ट्रीटमेंट देने से वही आर्टरीज नैरो हो जाती हैं, कंस्ट्रिक्ट हो जाती हैं. नाउ ऑल्टरनेट वैसो डायलेटेशन, वैसो कंस्ट्रिक्शन से जो मसल्स के अंदर जो टायर्ड मसल्स होती हैं आफ्टर लॉट ऑफ एग्जर्शन, उनके अंदर लैक्टिक एसिड वगैरह इकट्ठा हो जाता है, वो उसको रिमूव होने में जल्दी उसको हेल्प मिलती है.
This rapid pumping action of the heart is believed to relieve various injury symptoms and also decrease lactic acid in the body, which helps recover from soreness and fatigue.
It has invariably great benefits when it comes to muscle soreness because it works like a stimulus for sore muscles. So when you immerse your body in colder temperature water, your blood vessels kind of constrict. And as we go to the hot water, the blood vessels dilate.
Contrast therapy has other benefits too. Some research does suggest that it helps build mental resilience. Some say that this, in fact, can reduce depression, boost your immune system by increasing antibodies and T-cell production in your body, which in turn can also help in weight loss. Cold plunges have other benefits too, ranging from reducing chronic inflammation to help in burning fat. It can be used to treat certain bone tumors as well, where abnormal tissues are destroyed using extreme cold temperatures. Cold immersion is beneficial for the skin. It helps improve blood flow and enhance collagen production, which in turn tightens the skin.
This method of alternating contrasting therapy has also been tried and implicated and got inspiration for something for skin called as a fire and ice facial. So this does not involve actually soaking the face in fire and ice. It involves using products that bring a sense of warmth to the skin. Let's say done for a face, it helps in oxygenation and making sure that the skin becomes more exposed to increased nutrients. At the same time, alternating it with substances or a concoction of nutrients which help in calming or soothing down the skin.
But just like any other form of therapy, this too has its own set of risks. The primary being the water too hot or cold. It could damage your skin, cause burns or even hypothermia. If you have open wounds, it would be wise to steer clear of contrast therapy. Underlying heart conditions, low or high blood pressure are also key reasons to maybe opt for an alternative. Check with your doctor. Extreme temperatures would mean your heart will have to work extra hard to keep up. This could cause problems as well. While it is always good and fun to try out new methods of self-improvement, it's better to get an expert opinion on obscure therapies, especially ones that involve extreme conditions like this one. With Chetna Vasudevan, in New Delhi, Sneha Mordani for India Today TV. Well, definitely our thumbs up to contrast therapy, but only after the necessary precautions have been taken. Like this viral trend, all viral trends must not be followed blindly. Now, the year 2023 has seen a lot of us talk about our sleep. Sleep wellness is a category to clearly watch out for in the year 2024. Sleep wellness actually goes way beyond just counting sheep and drinking a cup of chamomile tea. It in fact has ushered in a new range of products, AI-supported products and commodities which will help you sleep better in the year 2024.